Welcome back. In a surprising move, Manohar, Parrikar and Mickky Pacheco have come together for the Cortalim by-poll schedule on 4th of June. GVP has declared its support to the BJP candidate Alina Saldana. Mickey said that he has discussed issues like MOI and Daboli Airport with CM and is satisfied with the assurances given by the CM. CM accepted an unconditional support of GVP on Wednesday.
त्यांनी पहिल्याच दिवशी सपोर्ट दिलेला आहे. तुम्ही जाऊन गव्हर्नरना विचारा. That is why I said there is no understanding for that support. But he had supported me on day one, even before I asked him the support.
So why not unconditional support? Why
it is unconditional, but when coalition, you accept someone as a coalition, over a period of time, automatically coalition means there is some sharing, but there is no condition for support. आमची दोघांची उलोवणी जावन ताणें आमकां सपोर्ट दिल्लोच पयलीं गव्हर्नराकडे. ताणें ऑफिशियली एलायन्स रुलींग एलायन्सान सामील जावपाचें ठरयल्लें आसा आनी कंटिन्युएशन ऑफ दॅट ही एक्सप्रेस्ड his willingness to support our candidate in Cortalim constituency.
GVP and BJP had a joint press conference in Panji on Wednesday. Mickky Pacheco confirmed his support to BJP in Cortalim by poll. He also said that he has discussed important issues like MOI and Daboli Airport with CM.
There are few issues which is unsettled. So I had a discussion with Mr. Manohar Parrikar, Honorable Chief Minister, and whatever assurance he had given, I am happy, and therefore I extend my support to their candidature.
Our reporter from Panji, Laukik Shilkar, with video journalist Onkar Ferrari. Guaranji all-rounder Amit Yadav could be in more trouble shall the allegations proved against him. BCCI have banned Amit Yadav along with other 4 cricketers under the scanner, and Amit could face further action from Goa Cricket Association if he has breached any BCCI rule. But GCA Secretary Prasad Fatarpekar and Goa Team Selection Committee member Prashant Kakode hope the lead's career does not get ruined. Kakode believes Amit has not directly been linked to spot or match fixing, and hence he should not be clubbed with the guilty few.
Secretary Prasad Fatarpekar told Prudent GCA will follow instructions from BCCI in deciding Amit's fate.
As per the media reports have gone, we have come to know that they have given a ban of 15 days. Even if no communication comes to GCA, we are alert about it, and he will remain banned by us also for that specific period. After the investigation, if the picture comes clear and special instructions come to us, we will follow what BCCI has to say. He is part of our GCA team, of the senior team, and I hope and I pray he is not caught in that act. If he is caught in that act, then it can be a bad influence on our cricketers.
Amit expressed displeasure at Kings 11 and wanted out, but at a higher price, which he wanted under the table. But selection committee member of GCA Prashant Kakode feels Amit's not directly linked with match fixing. Kakode claims players are receiving inflated salaries in the IPL, and as such, Amit is not the only one.
All the franchisee claim that Chennai Super Kings do that, and that too inspired Srinivasan being the BCCI president.
So you feel anything can be done about it now? It's such a transparent thing which is all known especially to cricket administrators like you and even the local public who must be watching the IPL. You think now is a good time that all this can stop and everything can be made transparent, a little bit like how the GPL auctions are held?
No, it is just impossible. As regards to the IPL is concerned, the transparency won't come into it only because there are too many loopholes in that. Like the GPL auction is 12 lakhs have been given, and it is front of the press on everybody. Like you have to spend the 12 lakhs. So it is clear-cut transparency there. But in IPL, the thing is like I take Shadab Jakardi for 30 lakhs, but I influence him. About you play for me, I am giving you 1 crore under the table, which BCCI is not aware. Neither the IPL governing council is aware of it. What Jakardi is taken for is 30 lakhs, but under the table I pay him 1 crore.
Amit's phones are still switched off, and hence Prudent could not get his reactions. Our video journalist Prajot Parrikar with sports reporter Nikhil Pereira from Panji.
Naveli bullfight ended in giving police protection to bulls. On Sunday, police arrested two organizers. However, the bull is in police custody as the owner of the bull has not made any claim as yet. While police department is facing crunch of personnel, here you can see two constables guarding a bull.
On Sunday at 5 in the evening, police arrested two youth for organizing bullfights in Naveli. Police stopped the bullfights immediately. Some constables got injured while dispersing the crowd and stopping animal fight. The police have taken a bull into their custody. The episode at Naveli has left two constables guarding a bull. Our reporter in Naveli, Sameer Bhatt.
The super hit Hindi film No Entry is now being remade in Marathi with the same title. The film will be produced under the banner Underground Films Private Limited and will be directed by Milind Arun Kaude. The principal shooting of the film is scheduled to begin in May 2012 in Goa and Mumbai.
Bonnie Kapoor's super hit laugh riot No Entry, directed by Anees Bazmi, is now being remade in Marathi as No Entry Pude Dhoka Aahe. The film will be produced under the banner Underground Films Private Limited and will be directed by Milind Arun Kaude. The movie will be produced by Premnath Rajgopalan along with Nikhil Saini. The producers have enlisted reputed Marathi actors like Bharat Jadhav, Ankush Chaudhary, Kranti Redkar, Sai Tamankar, Ankit Vishwasrao, Sai Lokur, Manava Naik and Paddy Kamli to play the lead roles, essayed in the original by Anil Kapoor, Salman Khan, Lara Datta, Bipasha Basu, Fardeen Khan, Isha Deol, Selina Jetli and others. The principal shooting of the film is scheduled to begin in May 2012 in Goa and Mumbai under director Milind Arun Kaude. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time for yet another short break. Stay tuned.